find. No matter where you search, someone who cares about you.
Attraversava il messaggio.